First, take a good look at your place. What rooms get messy fast? Kitchen, bathroom, right? Figure out what needs daily love versus weekly deep cleans. This helps you prioritize. Next, how do you like to clean? Some folks do a little bit every day to avoid big cleanups. Others prefer one big cleaning day a week, tackling everything at once. Or you can mix it. Quick daily tidy-ups and one designated deep clean day. Find what fits you. Your schedule needs to bend. Don't lock tasks to specific days. Just aim for time windows. Here's a secret. Deal with small messes right when they happen. Wipe that counter, put that thing away. Also, keep your cleaning stuff close by, not hidden in a closet. It's a huge time saver. Finally, grab the right tools. You don't need every gadget, just a few good multi-purpose cleaners and cloths. Your first schedule won't be perfect. Track what works and what doesn't. Then tweak it. It's all about finding your rhythm and making cleaning less of a chore.